Welcome to the class of quality inspection techniques for Chinese herbal medicine. In the previous lesson, we learned the basic knowledge of the fingerprint chromatogram of traditional Chinese medicine. Today, we will learn how to use high-performance liquid chromatography to establish the fingerprint chromatogram of Spatholobi suberectus. Call is Spatholobi I is the dried vine stem of the leguminous plant Spatholobi suberectus. It has the effects of promoting blood circulation and nourishing blood, regulating menstruation and relieving pain. It is commonly used to treat symptoms such as irregular menstruation and sallow complexion due to blood deficiency. According to references, the chromatometric conditions for determining the fingerprint of Caulis is Spatholobi IR as follows. Chromatometric column, Agilent SBAQC 18, with specifications of 4.6 mm, 250 mm, and a particle size of 5 micrometer. The mobile phase consists of a sand relay B and L% formic acid aqueous solution B, and gradient solution is performed. The specific gradient is as follows: 0 to 10 minutes, 9% to 11% A, 10 to 15 min, 11% A, 15 to 20 min, 11% to 15% A, 20 to 45 min, 15% to 25% A, 45 to 60 minutes, 25% to 28% A, 60 to 85 min, 28% to 47% A, 85 to 90 min, 47% A8. The flow rate is set at 0.8 ml/min. The column temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The detection wavelength is 270 nm, and the injection volume is 10 L. Now, let's first prepare the reference solution. Accurately weigh appropriate amounts of the following reference substances. 4.1 Genistein, application, Talidian, protocut AQIC acid, and yellow calidian. Then, add methanol to prepare stock solutions with certain mass concentrations respectively. Accurately measure appropriate amounts of the above reference stock solutions respectively. Mix them, and then add methanol to prepare a mixed reference solution. Next is the preparation process of the test sample solution. Take about 2 g of Caulis is Spatholobi powder. Weigh it accurately, and place it in a conical flask with a stopper. Add 50 ml of 50% methanol and heat under reflux for 30 minutes. After cooling, filter it. Wash the filter residue and the filter with 10 ml of methanol into portions, and combine the washings with the filtrate. Recover the solvent from the filtrate to dryness. Dissolve the residue in 15 ml of water. Then extract it 4 times with 15 ml of ethyl acetate by shaking. Combine the ethyl acetate extracts. After recovering the solvent under reduced pressure to dryness, dissolve the residue in 50% methanol. Transfer it to a 5 ml volumetric flask. Add 50% methanol to the mop. Shake well. Filter, and take the subsequent filtrate to obtain the test sample solution. After preparing all the solutions, we officially start the detection. First, startup preparation. Turn on the liquid chromatograph and related equipment. Clean the system pathways to ensure stable operation of the system. Second, open the workstation and connect online. Establish a method file and run it. Third, sample injection and analysis. Establish a sample batch processing file and run the batch processing file after the baseline is stable. Fourth, after data collection is completed, export the data file in AIA format. Fifth, use the similarity evaluation system for chromatographic fingerprint of traditional Chinese medicine, 2012 edition. Select the Generate Reference. Note: import the above AIA format data file. Set the reference fingerprint. Perform multi-point correction and full peak matching. Generate the standard fingerprint of Caulis Spatholobi and view relevant information such as the similarity of each peak, common peaks and non-common peaks in the fingerprints. The above is all the content of determining the fingerprint of Caulis Spatholobi by HPLC in this lesson. I believe that through this lesson, students have mastered the method of determining the fingerprint of Caulis Spatholobi. I hope you can practice more after class and become proficient in what you have learned today. Thank you for listening.